If you're trying to black out your Tacoma, this is the smoked out sequential turn signals for your turn lights. I'm going to show you what it looks like before, how to install it, and then how it compares after.
So everyone's saying changing these is a must. I don't know, I think they look fine. If you keep yours, awesome. So that's how they look now. That's not bad, that's not bad. I'm sorry, I think it looks good. You can see it from the side clearly, and you could even see it from, see, the back. Could be a little brighter, I guess. Before we take the cover off, I want to show you what you're looking at so that you can pull it off. These hook on just by, pretty much they get pushed in place. See how it's got a little ramp? It just pushes the clips right into place. So the way those come off is just by pulling on the outside. That should release this outside. Then on the bottom, there's actually these two little, one clip here and one is just like a spacer thing. And that is the same thing. If you pull it off in this direction, it should be pulled to the back side of this gap, and that should come off as well. And then the last part here is this clip here. Now this clip, you can see it bites towards the inside and it fits through this hole here, and then it clips onto there. There are these little lips here that seat inside. The lips go under here. So when you pull, don't pull up. You want to pull directly out. So I'm going to push this cover back on, and it's going to seat flush. All right, so we're going to start by pulling on the outside here. There we go. Sounds like you're breaking it to hell. This little piece here, that's why you can't pull it up. So you pretty much have to pull it straight back. And this is the no guts, no glory part here, man. And that is all intact, so it looks perfect. So once we remove these two screws here, then this little clippy, we squeeze it together and it'll come out of this housing here so that we can pull the whole thing apart. So now we're gonna unclip this back here and separate it from this piece. And squeeze that together. There we go. And pass that on through. So now that's out. And that side piece just comes out of place like this. Push on the bottom piece, the bottom, I don't know, tail there, and then pull out. Yeah, like that. And just one note, see how these pins are straight in there? You want to make sure the new ones are like that too, because one of the ones we got, it was a little bent, and it actually wasn't working until we bent it straight again, but it came to us slightly bent. So now you just go backwards, connect it. We're testing it here, and that's what it's gonna look like. All right, it passed the test. And again, it says DOT-SAE, nice and street legal. And just seat it back down. All right, so now we just seat this back in there. All right, then just go ahead and put the wires back in place. Just the pink and the white one. And it goes over the little wire holder. All right, just like that. Get him back on. All right, so at this point, we get the cover back on. So now go ahead and push it back on. You can see, oh, we missed a spot here. The liner is off the top side. We need to tuck that in just like that. And it should look just like that. There we go. Congratulations, you now have the baddest lights on the block. Check it out. So that is definitely brighter, a thicker light, and you can still see it from the end. So, I mean from the back side. So, from the side, it is very noticeable. You can definitely feel safe and visible. But look at that. There you go. Hope that was helpful. If you get this mod, tell me if you like it. Peace.